Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about the simple past tense. So this is an important part of English grammar that helps us to talk about actions that happened in the past. Okay, for the first is the definition. So simple past tense is used to describe an action that happened in the past and is now completed. So it is often used to talk about completed actions or events in the past. Jadi, simple past tense digunakan untuk menjelaskan aksi yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah selesai dilakukan pada waktu yang telah ditentukan. And then for the time signal, we usually used yesterday, kemarin, last night, kemarin malam, this morning, pagi ini, and blah 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 ago, for example, 2 years ago, 5 hours ago, and etc. So, time signal ini digunakan dengan simple past tense untuk menunjukkan kapan aksi itu terjadi. For example, I played soccer yesterday. Saya bermain sepak bola kemarin. Jadi pada kalimat ini, peristiwa bermain sepak bola terjadi di masa lalu, yaitu yesterday, dan sudah selesai. Oleh karena itu, kita menggunakan simple past tense played untuk menjelaskannya. And then the next is the pattern of simple past tense. So the pattern is subject plus verb to, ed or irregular past form, plus object. For example, she bought a new dress last night.
Jadi she adalah subject dan bought adalah irregular past form or verb to dari buy, and then a new dress adalah object. Last night tadi sebagai time signal.
And then I prepared a set of Japanese food. Jadi I adalah subject, prepared adalah verb to dari prepare, and then a set of Japanese food adalah sebagai object. Okay, the next is regular and irregular verbs. So to form the simple past tense, we usually add ed to regular verbs. For example, work becomes worked, play becomes played, walk becomes walked, ask becomes asked, jump becomes jumped. And then for the irregular verbs atau kata kerja tak beraturan, bentuk lampau tidak mengikuti pola tertentu dan harus diingat. For example, go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw, take becomes took, drive becomes drove. Okay, so this is the form of positive, negative, and interrogative form of simple past tense. For positive sentence, we use verb to, while for negative and interrogative sentence, we use verb 1. For positive form, I already explained before, we used subject plus verb to, regular or irregular verbs, plus object. For example, they visited their grandparents last weekend. And then for negative form, so di kalimat negatif kita menambahkan did not atau kalau disingkat didn't. So rumusnya adalah subject did not plus verb 1. For example, the shop didn't open on Sunday. And then for the last, we have interrogative sentence atau kalimat tanya. Jadi diawali dengan did or didn't untuk menanyakan apakah. Jadi untuk menanyakan apa yang dilakukan subjek di waktu lampau. So the formula is did or didn't plus subject plus verb 1. For example, did they enjoy the concert last night? Okay, so this is a simple past tense formula in positive, negative, and interrogative forms. And I think that's all for today's explanation about simple past tense. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.